Hi, my name is Cumie, and thanks so much to Voz Integral for inviting me to share something with you. What I would like to present has to do with our resonance with the drone sounds in our home environment, the power of improvisation singing, permission to give yourself to do something a bit unusual, and gratitude. Human beings have the instinct to resonate in harmony with the sounds of our environment. Drone sounds, or constant textures like the flow of running water or the hum of an appliance, they invite us to sound our voices and to resonate our bodies. And there's a lot of beauty in the dance of an interval. And that's when there's two tones or two sounds sounding at the same time. And in this case, it's the sound of running water and voice. If you don't have musical instruments around you, it doesn't matter. It's fun to recognize that there's music in everything and that we can actually enjoy connecting to our spirit through doing everyday mundane tasks. I invite you to sing with me, free form, and if you just don't feel like it right now, see if sometime in the future you feel like experimenting a bit with your voice when you hear running water, perhaps from the kitchen sink or the bathroom or in the shower, a classic, or perhaps the next time you're doing the dishes. And thank you very much to the amazing element of water for purifying us. Let's take 3 audible breaths. And we'll start the water and listen for a minute and then begin to sing. Let's take an audible breath. And now we can give this water to the garden or even to a pet. Thank you so much for listening and enjoy experimenting with your voice.